Gajanan friends, I am Akansha and you are watching Kansha's Happy Life. Alright guys, so I am back with another vlog, and guys, trust me, this is the most special vlog and it is really very close to my heart, and there are various reasons for the same which I'll be explaining further in the video. And guys, as you might have read in the thumbnail, this vlog is about Kapikul Shopee vlog. So guys, I would like to tell you this thing. I would like to introduce you with some of the things like what is Kapikul, who all made these products, and for your information, I would like to tell you all that these products are 100% natural and herbal, and these products are gonna include skincare, body care, wellness. Then there are many things which I'll be there are many things which I'll be saying in the video. So guys, I feel that we should start with the introduction of Kapikul, and we should know that who has made these products, because that is really a very special thing in this video. So I feel like introducing Kapikul here. I feel like introducing Shri Gajanan Maharaj, Shri Vena Bharti Maharaj, and our dearest Krishnamai Tai, who is a naturopathist and who has made all these products with her own inventions and with her own taste. And so guys, without any delay, I feel that let's start with the introduction.
Kapikul. It is a divine temple of Sadguru Gajanan Maharaj and Lakshmi Narayan, and it is the only place where Lord Garud and Lord Hanuman fuse together in one form. It is a techno-spiritual ashram located on the banks of river Godavari, Nashik, created by the grace of Sadguru Vena Bharti Maharaj and conceptualized by Uttaradhikari Krishnamai Tai. Now, let's gain some information about our Guru Vena Bharti Maharaj. 1008 Sri Mahanta Tapomurti Sadguru Vena Bharti Maharaj is a divine soul who has dedicated her entire life for global welfare. On guidance from Sri Gajanan Maharaj, the incarnation of Lord Hanuman, Gurudev took the vows of sannyas in the year 2000 and has been carrying the baton of Ram Karya ever since. Now we'll talk about the Mahavidyulata Sri Krishnamai Tai, who is the successor and working president of Kapikul, and Sri Sadguru Vena Bharti Maharaj's daughter. Guys, at a young age, she dedicated her life for Guru Seva and Dharma Karya. She is an ardent devotee of Lord Vitthal. She was photographer by profession. In Pune, she successfully completed her career in press as a press photographer for 12 years in reputed organizations like Times of India, Maharashtra Times, Sakal newspaper. Now, she has completely devoted herself to Ram Karya. She is a certified Yoga Guru, naturopathy expert, creator and designer of Sri Kapikul Siddha Peetham, and she is the director of Mechatronics and editor of Kapikul magazine.
Alright guys, so first let me show you the products of today's haul. They are right here. I hope you can see them. Yes. Sorry if there is any light effect. Yes, so these are the products for today's haul, and I hope they're clear enough. So guys, we will be seeing these products one by one. And guys, I just want to mention one thing, that as you all got to know that Krishnamai Tai has spent hours studying natural science, and she has developed these products with her own formulations. So guys, just imagine how herbal, natural these products are and how beneficial they're gonna be for your health and your skin and well-being. So guys, I would like to personally tell you this thing, and I would like to personally recommend this thing, that do check out these products, because the money which they gain from these products, they are not going to keep for themselves, but they'll be using it for the welfare of people and for the welfare of ashram. So guys, all these products, I feel that they are really very close to my heart, because I was in search of pure and herbal products from so long, and somewhere now my thirst has been quenched, and I got the products of my choice here. So guys, we'll be seeing all these products one by one, and a big thanks to Krishnamai Tai, a big thanks to Veena Bharti Maharaj, and to all the people of Kapikul who are working so hard for all of these things, and who are providing us with such nice products for our well-being, for our health, for our lifestyle, for our body care. And these are, guys, these are really at a nominal rate. I will be telling you in the video further, but these are really at a nominal rate, and I really love the products and their service too. So guys, now I feel that without any delay, let's get started with today's video. So guys, first we'll start with the body care section, because that's my favorite one. Alright, so first product which we have is about coffee. So guys, you all must be knowing that coffee is such a nice ingredient just to regenerate your skin, to remove suntan, and it has so many benefits, so many. So guys, the first product and my foremost favorite product is this coffee soap. So guys, as you all know that coffee helps to regenerate skin, it helps you to remove suntan, and it really makes your skin softer and smoother. So guys, this is the coffee soap which you can use in your daily life, and it will really help you to refresh your mind, and it will really help you to just energize your mood. So guys, this is the first product, and I got this for 40 rupees only. Like, it is a handmade herbal soap, it is a natural soap, and I got this for 40 rupees, and I love this. I was in search for coffee products for so long, but I couldn't get the proper one, the one whom I could trust that yes, these products are gonna benefit me, and these products are not gonna harm my skin, because my skin is way too sensitive. So I feel that now I have got somewhere a correct product for myself, so this is the one. Alright, so next one, what should I choose? There is another soap, guys. Yeah, I have collected a lot of soaps and pardon me for the same, because I really love them. Alright, so the next soap which I have is a fruit splash soap. I hope it is clear. Yes. So guys, this is a fruit splash soap, and there are many flavors in it, which you can check on the site. There is neem flavor, there is strawberry flavor, and there are many more. But the reason why I chose this fruit splash soap fruit splash soap is that, guys, it has the goodness of all the fruits. Like, it has the goodness of around 4 to 5 fruits. Alright, so orange, it soothes the skin, and it cleans and purifies your skin. Peach moisturizes your skin. Green apple cleans and conditions your skin. And last is lemon, that clears the skin and improves the skin tone. So guys, I felt that this is somewhat all-in-one pack which I thought to buy. And the most important thing, this is herbal, and it is made in essential oils. Guys, all those who might be knowing the use and the benefits of essential oils, they all must be knowing that how important and how beneficial this soap is. So guys, I really like this soap because it has the goodness of 5 plus fruits in it, and I'm surely gonna use it from today. Like, I'm really excited to use all the body care products from today only. And I got this for 48 rupees only. Okay, so next one is also my favorite. Like, the thing I should mention that what all is not my favorite. Alright, so the next one is also my favorite. That is the Wadi Herbals Skin Whitening Saffron Face Wash. I hope it is visible. The light is shining, I can't help it, sorry. Alright, so guys, this is a skin whitening saffron face wash, and I would say that saffron is really very beneficial for skin, and you rarely find it in any face wash. You might be seeing any saffron cream, or else you might be seeing any lotion, but it is really rarely found in a face wash. So guys, it has saffron. It has the goodness of saffron and sandal. Saffron whitens your skin, and sandal removes the suntan. So guys, you can just apply this face wash before applying the suntan cream, or you can just apply this face wash, and you can apply moisturizer like I've done right now, and I'll be posting its reel on Instagram, so do check it out. If you don't know my Instagram ID, then link is given in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Alright guys, yes. So guys, this is also one of my favorite product, and I really like it, and I'm gonna use it every day from now. And guys, I got this for ₹69. Guys, I'll be mentioning all of the things, all of the important things, like from where can you order these products and all, but at the end of the video. For now, I'll just give you the description of the products which I've bought. Alright, so the fourth one is the most needed one for me, because as you can see, my hairs have gone so frisky right there, and I really need to apply some oil to them. Alright, so the fourth one is also a very important product, and it is, everyone needs this yaar, matlab everyone needs in daily life. So guys, this is the Dirghakesha herbal hair oil, and guys, it is made with all natural oils, like your hair which needs all the natural oils, these are present in it. It has so many benefits that it reduces hair fall, it reduces graying of hair, it strengthens your hair, it improves the growth, and I've heard a lot about it. And guys, trust me, after using for a week, I'll surely give its review on my Instagram handle. So guys, don't forget to check it out right there, because I've heard a lot about it, and I feel that it is really very beneficial product for everyone right there. Also guys, they are having there are many other products which I just failed to check out because I was in a hurry to leave that day. So guys, there are many creams, there are many there are shampoos, there are body lotions. So guys, I feel that we should check it out one by one, right? Do you guys want to check it out one by one? Alright, so let's check it out here one by one. Alright guys, so now I feel that I should end part 1 of this vlog right here with the body care products. And guys, this video is gonna be extended a lot, so I feel that I'll be dividing this video in 3 parts. The first part is about body care, the second part is about healthcare and wellness, and the third part is about all of the activities that are being conducted at Kapikul. So guys, I'll end the first part right here, but guys, do check out the second and third part too. I'm just doing this for the sake that you guys don't get a long video and you're like you get bored watching such a long video, so I'm dividing it into 3 parts. So guys, please watch this complete video because it is gonna be way too beneficial for you, and that is for sure that you're gonna be benefited from this video a lot. So guys, to this I would only like to say that do like, do share and do subscribe, and do check out my next vlog. And that's all I could say, because all my ending wordings will be there in the last vlog, that is of my last part of this vlog, that is the part 3. So watch till part 3. See you all in the next part.